Hello dear children, we come to exercise 24a. Okay, what is the first question? For each angle given below, write the name of the vertex, the names of the arms and the name of the angle. So you look here, when we have two rays, they are starting from one point, isn't it? This is one ray and this is another ray. They both have a common point O. So what is the name of the vertex? Vertex is the common point. So vertex is O. So vertex is O. Now what about the arms of the angle? You have to write the names of the arms of the angle also. So OA. So one arm of the angle is OA. And another is OB. Okay. So OA and OB are the arms of the angle. And what is the name of this angle? This is a very acute angle, isn't it? Acute angle. If it was a right angle, then the angle would be like this. Now this is less than right angle, isn't it? It has come from this point up to here only. So this is a acute angle. So same way you have to write this one and this one. Both are what type of angles? Acute angles only. Now let us come to the next question. Name the points in the interior of PQR and the exterior of PQR. So interior means the points which lie within the angle. So you know B, A and X are in the interior of this angle. And which are the points in the exterior? D, M, N, T and S. This is in the exterior. Exterior means outside. Interior means inside. Okay. Then in the adjoining figure, find out the number of angles formed within the arms OA and OE. So, which is the arm OA? OA and OE. So, which are the angles which are formed within this, between these two arms? Okay. So, I will say, I can see this angle. Okay. So, how do I write this angle? This is written as BOA. Okay, this angle is written as angle BOA. So I will write here angle BOA. This is one angle. What about another angle? I can write COB. COB, this angle. Okay, so I will write angle COB. Okay, this is how angles are written. Now here we have another angle. See this angle, that is which is formed by this arm and this arm. How will I read it? DOC. So this is angle DOC. Then which is the last angle? EOD. See this one. EOD. So I will write angle EOD. Now are these only these four angles which are found in the interior? No, there are more. See, we can see write like this also. COA. See, that is the whole angle, this whole angle between these two arms. So we can write COA also. Angle COA. Can you find any other angles like that? We can write DOA also, isn't it? DOA also. Okay, we can write we have written DOC, isn't it? We can write DOB also. So this is how we will write the angles. Okay. Then the angles are written as degree, minutes and seconds. Okay. So we add it just like we add hours, minutes and hours. But this I will not take now. So you can just leave this out now. Okay. In the figure given alongside, 3 pairs of adjacent angles. You have to say 3 pairs of adjacent angles. What do you mean by adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are angles which have a common arm. Okay, that is neighboring angles. If you look at this, see DOA and BOA. both have this arm, one hand common. Okay, this hand is common for both. So this arm is common. So we will write which are they are neighboring, they are neighbors. Like when two houses are very close together, then the common wall will be the same for both the houses. അല്ലേ ചിലപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെയല്ലേ common wall same ഉള്ള houses. Okay, so when common so same way the common wall or the arm is this OA is common. So what do you call such angles which are very close to each other, neighbors? They are called adjacent angles. So which are the adjacent angles here we have to find? So see this angle and this angle, they are adjacent angle. How will I write it? DOA and VOA. Angle DOA and angle BOA. Any other adjacent angle? Yes. See, if I take this angle, this is COB, and if I take this angle, it is BOA. So they both have this side as common. This is a common wall between these two angles. They are also neighbors. Okay, so I can write COB and AOB I will write. Okay, it doesn't matter if I write BOA or AOB, it is the same angle. So COB and AOB, angle COB and AOB angle. Okay, so you can see OB is common for both. Here OA was common. Now can you say which are the angles which have OD in common? Yes, correct. This angle and this angle, they are neighbors. So COD and AOD, angle COD and angle AOD. So this is how we have to do it. Okay, now we have to find two acute angles, two obtuse angle and two reflex angles. So that is easy, you can do it on your own because you all know what are acute angles. So this is an acute angle, BOA is acute angle, DOA is acute angle. Okay, then obtuse angle, see this COB, this is an obtuse angle. Right angle ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്നേനെ, but it has gone further. So COB is obtuse, COD is also obtuse. And reflex angle we can say this angle BOD can be taken as a reflex angle because see here ഇത്രയും ആംഗിൾ വരുന്നില്ലേ BODക്കകത്ത്, ആംഗിൾ BOD can be taken as a reflex angle, or you can take COD also as a reflex angle because the remaining part is greater than 180 degree. When it goes beyond 180, that time we take it as a reflex angle. Okay, so I hope you will be able to do this much. Now we will go on to the next part, easy part. Okay, in the figure PQR is a straight line. PQR is a straight line. Okay, and angle SQR is 75. See here, this angle SQR, they are saying it is 75 degree. So what should be the remaining part? What is PQ? They are asking PQS. What is PQS? So you know that the total is how much? The whole angle, straight angle etra? We know it is 180. If one part is 75, what will be the other part? It will be 180 minus 75, isn't it? When the whole is 180 and out of this one part is 75, the remaining will be 180 minus 75. So how much you get? So you will get 5 and 0, isn't it? And 1. So this part will be how much? 105. Then you can just check, add it and you see whether it is 180 or not. Okay. So in the same way you have to do this sum also. If PQS is 110, what is RQS? So one part is given, another part is asked. So this type of question you must do. So I hope you will complete till here today. Okay, till the 6th question.